Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the channel where learning English feels natural, simple, and fun. I'm Anna, and today I'm so excited to dive into a brand new lesson with you all.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. It's always such a pleasure to be back here with another lesson. Honestly, Anna, these sessions are becoming the highlight of my week. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well, David. I had a good breakfast, my coffee, and I'm ready to share today's topic. And you?
I think I had too much coffee today because I feel super energetic. Maybe I'll be talking faster than usual, but that's fine because our topic today is about speaking naturally in English.
Perfect timing. And before we begin, thank you so much to everyone watching. Your support really helps us grow. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying these lessons.
Yes, exactly. Every comment, every like, every share, it makes a big difference. And hey, don't just watch, practice with us. That's how you'll really improve.
So David, what's today's focus?
Today's topic is daily English conversation for beginners. We're going to practice real-life dialogues you can actually use at school, at work, at a cafe, or even just chatting with friends. These aren't textbook sentences. They're the ones people use every single day.
That's right. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident, more natural, and ready to start speaking English in real-life situations. Dialogue Practice 1. Greetings.
Okay, let's start with something simple but very important. Greetings.
Yes. Instead of only saying hello or how are you, try something more natural like, hey, how's it going?
Example. Hi, David. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
Not bad.
See, it's short, friendly, and natural.
Another casual greeting is, what's up? You can say, hey, Anna, what's up?
And I might answer, not much, just working on today's lesson. What about you?
Exactly. These small conversations make you sound like a native speaker.
And remember, greetings are not just about words. Smile, use a friendly tone, and show interest in the other person. Dialogue Practice 2. Asking for help.
Now, let's move to another daily situation, asking for help.
Instead of always saying, can you help me? Try, could you give me a hand? It sounds friendly and polite.
Example, Anna, could you give me a hand with this homework?
Of course, David. Happy to help.
You can also say, would you mind helping me? This is very polite.
Yes. Example, David, would you mind helping me carry these books?
Not at all. Let's do it.
See, simple variations make your English richer and more natural. Dialogue Practice 3. At a cafe.
Okay, let's imagine we're in a cafe. Ordering food or drinks is something beginners often find difficult.
The key tip is, don't just say, I want. Instead say, can I get or could I have?
Example, hi, can I get a coffee, please?
And I might say, can I get a green tea, please?
Another polite way is, I'll have. Example, I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Notice how small changes make you sound more natural and polite, and always add please. Dialogue Practice 4. Talking about daily routines.
Now let's practice talking about routines, because people often ask about your daily life.
Yes. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Or, I take the bus to work every day.
Let's try a mini conversation. Anna, what time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What about you, David?
I wake up later, around 8:30. I'm not a morning person.
And that's okay. Everyone has their own routine. Dialogue Practice 5. Making plans.
Next is making plans. Instead of saying, do you want to go, you can also use let's.
Example, David, do you want to go for a walk after class?
Sure, let's do it.
Or, let's grab lunch together.
Yes, and you can also respond with, sounds good, or I'm in.
These phrases make conversations lively and friendly. Dialogue practice 6. Saying goodbye.
Now let's practice saying goodbye. Instead of always saying goodbye, try, see you later. Catch you tomorrow. Take care.
Example. Okay, David, I've got to go. See you later.
Take care, Anna.
Extra practice. Expanding real-life situations.
Let's expand with some bonus conversations, because real life has many situations.
Great idea. For example, shopping. You can say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Or, "Do you have this in a different size?"
Yes. Example. David, excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's $20. Do you want to try it on?
Sure. Thank you.
See? Very natural.
Another situation, asking for directions. Example. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure. Go straight and then turn left.
Simple, polite, and clear. Great job, everyone. Today we practiced so many useful conversations. Greetings, asking for help, ordering at a cafe, daily routines, making plans, saying goodbye, shopping, and asking for directions.
Yes, and remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Use these phrases in real life, with your friends, with your teacher, even in the comments below.
Speaking of comments, tell us which phrase or conversation was your favorite today.
And also, write your own short dialogue using today's phrases. We'll check your answers.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.